In this video, we are going to learn this very simple art. It has a very pretty background, very less use of colors, and it is suitable for kids and adults both. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is the first video of my new series, Easy Art Projects for Kids. Although these are specifically designed for kids, they are very easy, but they are also suitable for adults who are new to art or who do not have a lot of art experience. Here I'm using Add Gel Little Artist brush pen, but you can use any sketch pens that you want. You can use any blank sheets. There is nothing very specific about this video. You can use the basic colors and basic simple papers that you have at your home. Start by making huge circles of any one color, or if you want you can also make them multicolored. That is totally your choice. You can make them in different sizes or even in single sizes. Here I have chosen to go ahead with different sizes of circles, and I am choosing yellow to be my base color. I'm choosing my base color to be yellow because it's light and anything that I draw above it would be very clearly visible. We'll complete this step throughout the paper. That means we'll fill the entire sheet using these circles. It's a very good activity to practice coloring inside the lines because you are drawing a circle and you are making sure that you color inside them evenly. You do not accidentally color outside these circles. It is also a very good activity for practicing shapes. Notice how I'm not lifting my brush pen, I'm using a single stroke to fill my entire area. I'm almost done with my background, and next step I'll start drawing over it. Here is the completed background. Next I'm using Rorito Fiber Point black pen. You can use any fine writer or any black pen that you want. Just make sure that it does not spread over the color that you have just painted with. So before starting, you can do a patch test on a rough paper. You can just use the colors that you are going to use and make sure that they are compatible together. I'm drawing random branches across the sheet. Some are simple curves while some are shaped as Y. They are all in different directions. The next step is to fill leaves all around these small branches that we have just drawn. I'm using a very simple leaf structure, but you can use leaves of any shape that you like. This is one of the easiest, and that's why I have chosen this. Now here it will be more visible, as earlier my hand was blocking your view. Notice how again I'm not lifting my pen. I'm drawing the leaf and the inside line in a single stroke. These small steps save time and also improve your wrist movements and wrist flexibility. I'm always looking forward to seeing you guys practice with me and share your amazing practice works with me. You can do this by sharing them on Instagram and tagging me, or joining my Facebook group and sharing there. You can also join my Kuhu channel and share your practice works with me. It makes me really happy to know that you are learning with me, and if I'm putting efforts in recording all these videos and trying to teach, then it's actually benefiting someone. Another version can be to add small flowers all around, or you can also change the shapes and design of the leaves. Here I'm keeping it very simple and very basic because this is the first tutorial in this series, but you can practice, you can experiment with them. Experimenting is really good and it will help you boost your creativity. It will help you come up with your own ideas. It will actually help you grow as an artist. So make sure once you practice this one, you come up with some of your own ideas and try some of the variations of this artwork. We are going to repeat the same step throughout the sheet and draw leaves all around these small branches that we have drawn. If there is a specific tutorial that you would like me to teach, that you would want me to share with you guys, let me know in the comments below. There are lots of basic painting techniques that we were taught in schools or that are really helpful for kids or art beginners, and I am planning to include all of them in this brand new series which is intended for kids and art beginners. Another very great advantage of this artwork is that it improves your patience level. Notice how patiently and how slowly I'm drawing each and every leaf very carefully. I'm not rushing, I'm not trying to finish it quickly. I'm taking my time and I'm drawing very slowly. That is exactly how you should be doing it. An artist should never rush to finish an artwork. You should be really patient if you want the best results or the best outcome. Draw these leaves in various directions, just as how stems are. You can see that they are all in different directions, emerging from different directions and going towards different directions. They are not at all planned or systematic. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to leave a comment and let me know if you are practicing, and if there is a specific tutorial you want me to make a video on, make sure to mention that as well. Do practice and share your practice work with me. It makes me really happy. And here is our completed artwork. I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing.